Hey guys, it's Nathan from Law Enforcement Landscaping. Today video is how to load a low car or a sedan onto a equipment trailer or a trailer that sits too tall and your car scrapes. So a couple things before you load the trailer up. First thing you want to do is chock the wheels on the trailer and the truck or whatever you're towing. Second thing, have the truck in neutral, put the parking brake on, then put the truck in park. Best way to do it is to have somebody in the truck with the truck in neutral, just holding the brake. And that locks the trailer brakes and the truck brakes as well. Doesn't put the strain on your transmission. But obviously, a lot of times you're loading by yourself, so the park brake and the wheel chocks will do just fine. The other thing, if you're loading something heavy, such as a heavy duty truck or something like that, good idea. Right back underneath the rear end and jack it up. Just flush. You don't have to put pressure on it. Once you load the car on, it'll put the weight down, and that's a good idea. Just so you're not putting the pressure on the ball on the front. So another thing you could do is if you're loading a low car, is to jack up the front of the trailer. And that helps lower the approach angle in the back for when you're just getting out of the trailer. There's not enough weight on it. It helps to lower that approach angle and prevent you from scraping. All right, so the ramps are pretty simple. I just got 2 by 12 by 10s, 2 of those, one for each side. You cut the ramps to the bottom one is 53 inches. The middle one is 40, and the top one's 27. And that comes out to exactly 10 feet. And then I just put 6 screws into each one, and seems to work out pretty well. I've loaded half a dozen cars with this thing so far to test it out, and it works pretty well. So what I do, that top one's long, so it can go halfway in between this ramp here, so it lines up. So in case the ramp does slide a little bit, it has some buffer. And then once I cut those down, cut them all at 45-degree angles, keep it simple. So once you line up your car straight with the ramps, and you can center them between the wheels, and this really helps reduce the angle of the incline on the trailer. So now what we're going to do is show loading this Corvette up onto this trailer, and we'll do a time lapse of that here. So as you can see, we did that time lapse, but it went a lot faster and a lot easier than we thought it was going to go. Because this is the lowest car I've had on this trailer. One of the lowest stock cars you're going to be here to get, and this is about the tallest trailer you're going to get as well, unless you have a deck over. I don't think you're going to load a car onto a deck over anyway. So that's the video. Hope you guys liked it.